Ladies and gentlemen, the Volkswagen Cross Coupé. And now I would like to please Mr. Bischoff to the stage. Mr. Bischoff is our chief designer, Volkswagen brand. Klaus, your team has created a fascinating concept that impressively combines the best of two worlds. Maybe you can tell something about the design language of the car.
Of course. We wanted to create an outstanding proportion. This is why we condensed the roof, moved it back, so a very stretched, condensed greenhouse based on a very solitary body, shaped ultra precisely. The wheels are moved forward, the overhangs are very short. The car in itself is completely compact, features a very nice interior with a lot of intuitive touchscreens, so handling is very easy. And we have one special feature that I want to mention, that is this innovative combination of the grille elements, the grille bars, combined with the big xenon headlights and the daylight signature. So this will be the new face of the future SUVs of Volkswagen. But look at the precision and the surfacing of the car. It feels as if the car is milled out of a block of metal. So very, very sharp, very precise, and we are very proud of it.
Thank you, Klaus.
Thank you.
It's also a very nice interior, as you can
Absolutely,
see later
absolutely.
on. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, Klaus Bischoff, our designer. Ladies and gentlemen, the Cross Coupé original, full of character, sculpture and dynamic, represents the future of SUV design at Volkswagen. This much is certain. We will continue to win over customers in the future with exciting, with eco-friendly and with successful cars. And for that, I thank you very much for your attention, and please have a look to the car.
Thank you, Professor Winterkorn, Dr. Hackenberg, Mr. Bischoff, for bringing these fantastic cars. Among the Japan premieres, I have to mention the Beetle, which is still, and I'm sure that all of you will notice, the icon of Volkswagen. Inheriting the proportion and design cues of the original model, but developed with the latest technologies, the Beetle has been recreated from the 21st century. Here we are exhibiting three models: the Beetle Design, the Beetle Sports, and the Beetle Fender, which is a collaboration with the model with a famous guitar and amplifying model. So I'd like to invite our board members to come for pictures, and I'd like everybody to enjoy our exhibits. And please do not forget that Audi and Porsche will be followed after this presentation. Thank you.